Hey, what's up, guys? It's Wednesday, January 20th. I just wanted to give you a quick lecture for the day. Your assignment for today is the symbiotic relationships recap. Okay, so that's the assignment for Wednesday, as it says on your guiding document for this week. Okay, so if you got a jump started on it yesterday, that's fantastic. Hopefully, this video just kind of helps verify what you already knew. Also, those of you guys that did not do the IB assessment from last week, that needs to be done ASAP, okay? That assignment, it was called IB assessment, reflecting on relationships in nature, or something similar to that. It's the only one that says IB assessment so far, but that is so important, you guys. I had a lot of people that just turned that in blank, so I returned that to them, and I had a lot of people that just didn't do it. So that's our first IB grade. We're going to have one of those a week, if not every other week, so please make sure we get that done. If you didn't get it done, this video right here, super quick recap, will help you. My only thing I ask is that you don't use all three examples that I'm going to talk about, just because I'd like to see what you can come up with. Okay, so quick review, right? Symbiosis, that word bio, right? That means life. Biology is the study of life. So anytime you see that B-I-O, bio, that means life. Okay, the beginning of that word, sim, like if you think of a symphony, okay, that was what the best thing we came up with my class. A symphony would be, like beautiful music with like violins and like trumpets and violas and basses and all the other instruments. Sorry, I don't know a lot of instruments. But like all that music, right? And they're all playing together and it works together. So that idea, sim is together, bio is life. So together life, that idea of symbiosis or symbiotic relationships is just life together interacting. Okay, and we said there are three main ways that we're going to talk about. Okay, some of you started talking about things eating things. That is not a symbiotic relationship in the sense of what we're talking about right now. It is a relationship in nature. It is indeed a life together relationship for sure, right? But when we're talking about a predator hunting a prey, we're going to call that predation, and that's not really what we're going to be talking about right now. Okay, so remember the three that we talked about. We had mutualism, commensalism, and parasitism. Okay? And we had a few easy ways to remember this. Mutualism is when both species benefit. Okay? An easy one, I take care of my dog takes care of me. Okay? Whether you have a dog that's just like at home to be a cute, nice dog, or it's a working dog or a hunting dog, whatever, you provide your dog food and shelter, that dog in turn helps you out. Right? Another easy one are bacterial guts, right? Our digestive tract is full of bacteria that is not us. Okay, so that's a different organism. We provide a home, a safe home for that organism to live, and that organism in turn digests our food. Both species are benefited. Okay, so both of those are examples of mutualism. Okay, commensalism. Commensalism is where one species benefits and the other one is neutral. It doesn't get a benefit or a negative, right? It's just kind of like meh. So if you think about it, a bird in a tree. Okay, a bird makes a nest in a tree. That tree is not hurt, it's not helped, but that bird has a place to live. The bird is benefited, the tree is neutral. Okay? Birds that follow cows around in a field and eat the bugs that get popped up when the cow eats grass, that's commensalism. The cow doesn't care about the birds. They're not competing with it. They're not causing any sort of problem. The birds are just there to get the bugs that get shaken loose. The birds get a free snack. The cows are like, man, don't care. Right? Same thing with those sharks and those amoras in the ocean. Same thing. The sharks cruising around, they don't really care about those remora. They're not a big enough fish for them to get a snack. Those remora get a free bodyguard. They also get a free snack. When that shark rips up a bigger fish, they get to eat the leftovers, right? So those littler fish benefit. The shark's like, man, don't really care. Okay. Last, we learned about parasitism. Okay, so parasitism is where one species benefits and that other species is negatively impacted. Okay, so like a human and a mosquito. A mosquito sucks our blood, we lose our blood, right? So like that's an easy one right there. Some people were saying like ticks and dogs. Fantastic. Okay, there's lots of those. And then other people were saying like, well, I thought parasites were like worms that go into your body and stuff. You're right, they for sure are, right? That's the exact same thing. Like any sort of tapeworm or that kind of stuff, that is literally just feeding on the inside of you, right? Whether it's eating through your muscle walls to get where it needs to be, or it's feeding on your blood, or it's just living in your gut, stealing the food that you ate, same thing. That is benefiting while you are losing. Okay. We also talked about a few cool ones like the parasite ant parasites that would make the ants turn into zombies and then they get eaten or they bite down and the parasite grows out of their brain or whatever. So those are our 3 ideas. Please, please, please stay away, especially on the IB document or the IB assessment from predation. That's what we're doing tomorrow and Friday for this week. We're going to start talking about predators and prey. But for this idea, when we think symbiotic relationships, I really want us to think mutualism, where both species benefit, commensalism, where one species benefits and the other species is like, man, don't care, right? And then parasitism, where one species benefits and the other one is negatively impacted. Okay, so hopefully that is a great rundown for your assignment today. Also, if you haven't done that IB assessment from last week, got to get it done. This video should be super helpful for that. If you need any help, let me know. There are students in class again now, but I'll be posting these videos still each morning, so you kind of have another video to get ideas from in addition to the video that's included with the assignments. But if you have questions, post it in Teams, and I'll do my best to jump in and see it. First and fifth period, obviously, I'm here because you are my class for this time. But those other periods, third, fourth, sixth, seventh, just sit tight if I don't get back to you right away, but I will answer for sure. Okay? All right, love you dudes. Have a great day. Peace out.